The Mercedes-Benz Luxury Campervan 2025 is a mobile retreat designed for affluent adventurers who like to enjoy the freedom of the open road without compromising comfort, style, or contemporary comforts. The latest Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform serves as the foundation for this campervan, which combines premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and elegant European style. External design, a wheel that exudes modern style. Apart from its sleek design with chrome accents, high-gloss metallic paint job, and panoramic windows, the campervan exudes a subtle sense of luxury. LED lighting and alloy wheels. The addition of high-end multi-spoke alloy wheels and chic LED headlamps enhances its posh look and functionality. Interior features: 1. The living area and lounge. Roomy and stylish, the main cabin has a luxurious lounge area with wood grain details, handcrafted leather couches, and ambient LED lighting. The seats have heating and massaging features in addition to being completely customizable. The intelligent entertainment system, with a large flat-screen smart TV, surround sound speakers, and built-in Wi-Fi, you can enjoy an endless array of entertainment options wherever you park. 2. Sleep and rest area. Convertible or fixed bed. Options: the rear section may be made into a cozy sleeping space with a full-size memory foam mattress, plush linens, and integrated reading lights and a USB port. Comfort and privacy. By using insulation that reduces noise and blackout blinds, a peaceful sleeping environment may be created even in loud areas. 3. Private bathroom. Comfortable luxury. The bathroom is completely equipped with a ceramic toilet, a stainless steel sink, and a modern rain shower with eco-friendly water-saving technology. The luxurious tiling and the ambient lighting create a spa-like atmosphere. A kitchenette that is both aesthetically beautiful and practical in terms of space use includes an induction stove, refrigerator, microwave, and stainless steel sink. Stylish cabinetry provides neat storage for a range of goods, such as essentials and kitchenware. Internet connections and technology. Central smart control panel. To manage the car's lighting, climate, entertainment, and other amenities, use a central touchscreen or smartphone app. Off-grid. Ready a fresh gray water system, lithium-ion battery storage, and solar panels enable autonomous travel without sacrificing comfort. Safety and performance. Engineering at Mercedes-Benz, outfitted with an optional all-wheel drive system, a smooth automatic transmission, and a fuel-efficient turbo diesel or hybrid engine. This car has many cutting-edge safety systems, including 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring. These characteristics guarantee a smooth and safe journey. The Mercedes-Benz Luxury Campervan 2025 offers a smooth fusion of mobility with contemporary luxury, making it the perfect choice for couples, singles, or small families who wish to travel the world without ever leaving the comforts of home.